Hi everyone, in the last video, we implemented the logic of snake movement using keyboard keys like this. And in this video, we are going to add food in our project. So for that, create one file, name it as food.py. First import the turtle module and create one class, give it name as food. And here we are going to inherit the properties of our turtle class. So for that, turtle and use define init and the self. And to use this, we have to use super.init. Now let's start creating our food. So give our food shape. So self.shape, give it circle. You can give any shape and give the shape size. So it will look better on screen. So normally the size is 20 by 20, but it looks bigger. So we have to reduce it. So to achieve that, so give the values like stretch length to 0.5, like half, and stretch width to 0.5, and give the color also self.color to, let's say, blue. And in our main file, import our food. So here from food, import food and create food object. So for that, food equals to food, and let's run it. Yeah, our food appears on screen. Now our next task is to detect collision with food. But before that, we want food appears randomly on screen. So for that, create one function, give it name as refresh and self. Now we want it at random coordinates. So for that, import random and use it here as, give it any variable name as random x equals to random dot rand int, and give values like minus 280 to plus 280. You can figure it out the values of coordinates, and similarly for y-axis, and use go to and random x and random y, and call our refresh function here. You can give speed to fastest so that it appears faster on screen. And in our main.py, you can use one conditional statement, like if our snake's head's distance is less than 15 or 10 from food, then refresh the food and let's run it again. Yeah, it is working, but we have to use pen up, and let's run it again. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. And that's it from today's video. And in the next video, we are going to add functionality to increase the snake size. Like when snake eats that food, it should increase its size. We'll tackle it in our next video. And if you enjoy this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.